Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and we have finally wrapped a Cybertruck using a printed vinyl camouflage wrap. A lot of you have been asking us, when is this gonna happen? And trust me, I have been anxiously waiting as well, but we've been doing nothing but really great colors until recently a customer said, I'm ready to step up. I want my Cybertruck on printed vinyl wrapped using 3 tones, grays, silvers, and of course black. So what do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? It actually works really well with the Cybertruck. I think it's fun and totally different. I have not even seen one in Los Angeles wrapped in camouflage yet. So maybe we're the first in Southern California. I don't know. But regardless, this is a really cool look. It works really well with all the bumpers and the cladding that's on the Cybertruck, giving it that kind of tough look. And this customer chose to also change his wheels. Now, big topic of discussion. Change the wheels, keep the wheels, size up, size down. This customer took a very simple and affordable route. Stay with the same size. 20-inch TCT wheels that come with our Aero covers are really affordable. It's a flow forged wheel, and you can enjoy it 2 different ways. With the Aero covers on, as you see here right now, or with the Aero covers off. On this particular app, I absolutely love it with the Aero covers on, but it could be enjoyed both ways. And these wheels are not only affordable, give us a call. We actually have some specials that when we wrap your Cybertruck, if you want to go ahead and add the TCT wheels, we got some extra special discounts for you. So what do you guys think? Camouflage is finally done. TCT wheels, window tint, super cool and ready to hit the streets in Los Angeles. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.